How to delete your Lyft account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can delete your Lyft account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete your Lyft account, all you have to do is just go ahead and launch the Lyft app. Then once you launch the Lyft application, what you have to do is tap on the three lines icon from the top left hand side and then go to the option called help. And then once you go to help over here, you might want to go to the option called profile and account. And once you go to profile and account, you can see edit profile or account at the top, so just tap on it. And under the edit profile and account, you'll find the option called delete my account, so just tap on that option again. When you go to delete my account, under it you'll find the option called how to delete your Lyft account. Tap on the plus button and it will ask you to follow this link over here. All you have to do is just tap on this bluish or purplish text that says delete my account. It will take you to a new page where you have to reconfirm your Lyft account again. So I'm going to go ahead and then verify with my phone number as well. Once I verify my number, I'm going to go ahead and simply enter the verification code that I received. So make sure that you receive the code over here and then just copy it and then just come back over here, then paste the code that you receive, and then after that it will automatically take you to a page. Is that you? So just tap on yes, it's me. It will ask you to read the terms and conditions to verify your identity as well. So I might as well go ahead and then enter my email address. So it'll ask you to agree to the terms and conditions, so just tap on the agree button. Once you agree to the terms and conditions, basically you'll actually receive your email as well. Or else what you could do is just tap on the option called delete account and then tap on the start button over here. Now all you need to do is simply select a region as to why you're deleting your account, then just tap on the next option. So I simply type in the word delete over here in bold letters, so I'm just going to go ahead and then type in delete, and then all you need to do is tap on the delete account button to finish deleting your Lyft account. That's all it takes to delete your Lyft account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.